It's a wonderful play. It's really, it's beautifully written and so powerful.
It's dealing with gender equality, class. One of the central characters is willing to sacrifice anything, do, say, whatever to get ahead. And I think that's very relevant.
The language is rich and classical, but it does have this contemporary feel. Especially, I think a lot about like legacy families.
I think the play says a lot about the struggle in a family, and since we all have a family, we all struggle with our families in one way or another.
You have this father who I think, in my opinion, sort of represents this older way of thinking. You know, this is the way that we do things. I have set up this legacy for you. You will follow in my footsteps and this will stay alive. Nothing will change. We will do everything the way I have always done it because it is the only way to do things.
This blind allegiance to tradition has convinced him that he has to take over from his father and that his sons have to take over for him in this business. It's not any sort of even compassion for his family. Ultimately, it's his own ego.
I think with the kids, you know, they have their own passions and they have their own kind of dreams that they want to fulfill. They're kind of trying to find their own voice and get out from underneath that shadow.
I think it's a really interesting exploration of legacy and tradition and love and family and how all those things combined, and it's heartbreaking and really wonderful to see them all go through those journeys of what their legacy, what their idea of family is, and what that truth is for them.